What's up everybody, my name is Spencer and this is American Electrician. On today's video we're going to be taking a look at a KC tool haul that I just picked up. There was a tool of the day that I just couldn't help myself but getting, so we're going to open this up and take a look. If you're new to the channel, welcome. On this channel we do electrical how-tos and gear reviews such as hand tools, power tools, and gear storage. So if that's something you guys are interested in, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. But for now, let's take a look. Alright, first things first, we have this thanks a bit card here that you always get from KC Tool, and it comes with this number 2 feel a bit that actually says, see if we can get it in focus here, it says KC Tool on it, so that is pretty cool. Just something nice that they don't have to do, but they do. And we'll go with this first thing over here that you can obviously see. I know I talked about this in one of my earlier videos. I wanted to try this Hazet screwdriver, this insulated driver. The handles just seem super comfortable, and right now I'm liking it. And honestly, I might have to order the larger set. I really do like the way that this feels in my hand. Next, we have this Wiha 11-in-1, I believe, multi-driver, and I am personally not a huge fan of these, but now that I see Wiha's making one, I figured I could give it a try just to see what it's like. So it comes in this little box, not too shabby. It's gonna get thrown away, so, but this is the driver, and I have not seen one of these yet. The handle it's pretty large, so there's quite a bit of torque that you can get down on it. And we'll look at these tips here now. It looks like it does come out, and then there's the nut driver here. It flips around. This is your number 1 and number 2 Phillips. And then this is your 1/4 inch and probably, I don't know what, 3/16 slotted driver here. And that does fit fairly tight, so I don't think you're gonna have a problem losing any of these bits. I know that's a huge problem with some other no, I'm sorry, not nut drivers, but 11-in-1s. And you can see right here, it's got this nut driver here. I believe that's the 5/16. Pops out, and on this side you have your number 1 and number 2 square, I believe. Yes. So number 1 and number 2 square here. Another size of nut driver, and then a Torx, and this is probably a T20 and a T25. So, and then it all just fits nicely back together. There we go. So pretty handy, saves you from carrying 11 different tools. So, and this is from Wiha, and it's made here in America, so that's pretty cool. Gonna have to try that out and field test that a little bit. So now this was the tool of the day, probably a week or so ago, not too long ago. And I wasn't planning on getting any of these ever, but they were like $14, and I could not help think, wow, those look nice. So these are 3/8 Imperial sockets, not the hold function ones, but these are a nice set. This is a really nice set right here, and it goes all the way from 3/8 all the way up to 3/4. And I mean the finish on these is fantastic. Said they were like $14 on tool of the day on KC Tools, so definitely something that's worth checking out. I pretty much check it daily just to see if there's anything good, and some days it's a random bucket, and some days you get a set of these for 14 bucks, and they're normally like 30, or if you're on Amazon they're like $50. So they definitely kill Amazon on that. So something worth checking out. But that is it for the tool haul today. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next one.